Welcome to Cedar Hill, Texas. My name is Brandon Small, and in today's video, we're going to be touring this beautiful new construction home located in the Stonehill community. This home is a Horton floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a flex room, and about 2,400 square feet. Please enjoy today's video, and I'll talk to you soon. That's it for today's tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to tour some new construction homes here in Cedar Hill or surrounding areas, please reach out to me and my team before speaking with the builder. My contact information is in the description box. Don't forget, the builder's rep works for the builder, but me and my team, we work for you. Thanks again for watching today's video. Let's make it happen.